Though the bishop has asked me to see no one without his permission, I will receive the man of God from India.
The divine consciousness is not limited by any creed or church. It shines in every pure heart that loves God.